Now, I was looking. Kamarizim Batalo. Onya ziwede tag yam na that program. Wede ezugo. 1 million of you. 1 million of you cannot stop adoration ministry. When I came there, 1 hour into the program, and 1,500 people now wash. Now I quickly rush to Zion Prayer Movement. Know about maybe 13 to 18 minutes. Open Heaven Jashibido and the brother Apotaboho Lihu screen. There and there, I saw about 17,000 something people. Before you know it, within the next 48 minutes or so, we are looking at almost 30,000 people watching the program, even when Evangelist Ebukobi is not yet on the screen. Now, no one at this person will kuni ezugo. 1,000 of you cannot stop adoration ministry because of 1,000 people that are watching a program. We make a reference to the people Hannah refer to as crowd. Because this Prince Israel in the Mohana, that guy in which our program. Imagine that guy and I say, Mepe wine shop or Maho Nkanka wine shop one Prince Israel go same statement in 1 million. Etua hedo in 1 million. In metodana 1 million naira akowulegu anamaju ajuju. Whether Nesirigosi Gujezi Mwad. Have you ever touched 1 million naira before? That is your money. Onyeke we maka wine shop. Can you own a wine shop? Can you even buy a wine to drink? Can you buy a wine to drink before you start talking to somebody maple a wine shop? On a loud mouth. Program. I see millions of programs that is going more than that one na Zion. Why are you tagging me? Oh, 1,000 of 1 million of me. Oh, 1 million of me cannot stop adoration because now 1,000 people and a crowd that is not up to overflow na Zion, non adoration ground. What will happen to 100 billion of you trying to stop Zion ministry with what is happening in Zion ministry? Now I saw a video. This same guy name about the Nkanka wine shop. Nkanka wine shop. Nkanka wine shop. Now 1 carton of Jameson Black 400 and something thousand. Kona sing Nkanka wine shop. Kona sing no Nkanka wine shop. Now 23 years, over 500,000. 1 bottle. Kona sing Nkanka wine shop. Him and I with a large mouth. So let me not go to that side. You want to go? Let me not go to that side. Now, he raised a varieties of issues. Now that video, Omelu. You guys should forgive me. I said I will not talk about them again. But remember now in that same video, Namukulu, that they should leave me alone. But it seems like they can. Now, I have posted on this page, Mepelu with my inbox. Mepelu with my inbox. Now, only 1 person send a message na inbox, but intentionally, I shall not meet screenshot and donya homa. Na macho hit ye because nti ya kalabasa. Only 1 person. Macho hit screenshot here because nti screenshot here akalabasa. My inbox has been crying since yesterday that I posted that video post to that yesterday. My inbox has been crying. They have been coming to my inbox with a lot of threatening, me and different. But that is not what I'm talking about. Even was one now, number 1, in that video, he said, and I quote, according to him, what I can get from that video, Evangelist Ebukobi was nobody until he came to adoration ground in 2017. Number 2, he said that Evangelist Ebukobi rose to Ebo Ono today because of Imeji Fadambaka on a parade everywhere. No mere enlargement if Fada Mbaka dọba n'office here. No mere enlargement if Fada Mbaka now want to na billboard na the whole Lagos. No mere enlargement if Fada Mbaka they were na everywhere, even in their Facebook platform and everywhere. No, they will image if Fada Mbaka ebe niile. Nke ahụ number 3. Then number 4, that na no take advantage that na Fada Mbaka anọghọ na social media. We were social media. We zuo glory Fada Mbaka. Yeah? We zuo glory Fada Mbaka. We zuo members yenine. That a lot of people who need Zion today can attest that they started following Zion after Evangelist Ebuka Obi came to adoration and started posting the videos of Fada Mbaka. That those people started following Zion because of na ha follow na mgbe Evangelist Ebuka Obi bialo no na achọ every opportunity nya na Fada Mbaka yeji we say picture no picture we forge ndị mmadụ fuzie the picture we say hey so na mmadụ na abu agba. That was how they started going to Zion. Now I saw umu okpokiri umu ibikiri umu ntikiri onemo onebia na comment section. Yes, I started following Zion because of Fada Mbaka. I started following Zion because of Fada Mbaka. I saw it into how many comments. You want to go? Nde, I am a Zionite bot. I am an adorer bot. I am only a bot. I've already told you people how you can identify those people. Now, Prince Israel, bia buro ukoli siya bia here. Hapo makiyi na agom. Gomi muna ya haho. Igota go ema na muna ya haho. Israel okwema muna ya haho. Igota go because na ema na muna ya haho. Bia na nko walo ke igota. Burisi ya bia keta kamburisi siya ofuma nko walo you will understand. I will post a video of Zion ministry before Evangelist Ebuka Obi came to adoration Enugu. Post video. If the number of people that is na that ground is not, if not more than the people now adoration at that particular time, tell me, na the number of people known as Zion ground as of that time in 2017 is not more than the number of people non-adoration at that particular time. Then you tell me. You tell me. I want to know exactly what Evangelist Ebuka Obi used the image of Mbaka to do. Osi through social media handle. Where Zukolo members here in Emachaku ife. Anamajoga dodo. Emachaku ife. Even Juwesego emachaku ife wo. Even Juwesego keta emachaku ife wo. Ejim because of image. Ejim because of image Fada Mbaka. Wesowe Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Does it mean na Fada Mbaka had was active? Kedife nwenweta na nke Fada Mbaka unfollow kare kwaziri na Zion. We hapu kwazie Zion. We hapu kwazie nke Fada Mbaka na adoration. We je kwazie Zion. Enwachapu ife ko wife solo wo ki ina-ekwu. So it comfortable na adoration. Ife ni choro na adoration ina enweta e hapu adoration je Zion. Ana ma ajụ ajụjụ ebe idebere ahụ na igbo ife. Okwu idebere ahụ na igbo ife. Okwu idebere ahụ na igbo ife. Awụ enyi nwoke asị nwaanyị ewu. Ife niile chọrọ n'ụwa ana m provide rege as a woman. Kedu ife ịchọje jewe na nke nwoke ọzọ? Kedu ife ịchọje jewe na nke nwoke ọzọ? For you to go to another man, o gosi no nwe na hụrụ ife na-atụ anya n'aka m ide enweta. And if onye ya provide rege that thing, iwe soro onye ahụ ejewe, whether ignorantly or not. The fact is that no nwere something na-emisi efuru na another place imelu iji we si eba wejewe beni. Let us tell ourselves the truth. You are discrediting your oga more and more. How can you honestly come to social media? Why? Nande mmadu ji because of Fada Mbaka Wesowe Ebuka. So he happened the grandfather. He happened the oga patapata of them also. Okay, all not because of Fada Mbaka ki ji wejewe na nke Ebuka Obi. What it shows is that na ife ahụ ihe enweta mụ na Zion n'ika ya enweta times 100 na nke Evangelist Ebuka na nke Fada Mbaka wo the grandfather. Ife so gị na-ekwu. Okay, ndị ahụ sịrị no because of Mbaka ka ha ji wee jebe Zion. Now that you have realized that the center can no longer hold, what is still gluing you to Zion? Kerife kakopadolu na Zion. Is it not time for you to go? Now that you know that the center can no longer hold, Kerife kajideru na Zion meya. Onwerife jiu na Zion. Do you? I welcome you to my side. Can you come now? Let us discuss. Ego moto EAG Zion puwefe for. Call moral support. EAG Zion puwefe maho. Bia, let us go motivate you. I can show you the way back to your house, or I can direct you and give you transport money back to Adoration Enugu. Deceive when no one. Deceive when no one. You people should keep deceiving yourselves. If they say Ebuka Obi Zuje, members ni na ho Zuje from Fada Mbaka, what is it they are not seeing in Adoration Enugu? Hafu zi na Zion weko pa. Mmado na hapu ebe do ya mma jewa another place. Ana ma ajuga ajuju. Okwa ni ife do mma ka na engomi. Mmado na hapu ebe do ya mma jewa ebe ozo. Ana ma ajuga ajuju. Iji because of ina ababu GUO. Iwolu because of na-eji afa ndebe igwe. Or ka nwere iwolu because of na onye mepelu Emeka Transport driver GUO. Iwolu because of na onye mepelu Emeka Transport driver GUO, former driver GUO. Iweje baba Emeka Transport. Wee ruo na Emeka Transport ha, wee fu na onwere ife na-eme na Emeka Transport ha. Kerife jingi shiga back to Jebaba GUO, especially ebe fugolu na GUO emege ka odu clear. No one supu ife jikonya na Emeka Transport. Ka win na Emeka Transport. She decide kwa zie ni iye chi ya back to GUO ebe no. Nwanne ha agwo nwe eziokwu. Ona ha agwo nwe eziokwu. You dare open your mouth to say that na Fada Mbaka ekwe ha ba social media. Not because of no have social media. Kebuka ji we megono. So I want a solution. Each of the adoration ground. Ni ne weta. Can you feel the social media me? Or social media ko ji we weta thousands and millions of people na be adoration now before. Ana majuga ajuju. Or na social media ka ina anu ojiri Bible wolumbo. Ojiri Bible wolumbo. Or na social media kam for before we dey go legbu adebe. Ana majuga ajuju. Ebube monso ebube monso ebube njejembe ebube monso ebube ajani isi ebube monso on social media ka mfure egwu a wejegorie. Ana m ajụrụ ajụjụ Israel oke isi mana ide echuche. Agwa m unu na those media irat attached to Adoration Enugu, the most daft set of people mfugolo una de echuche. Une nwere ụbụrụ chacha. Une nwere ụbụrụ na nnutu. So you are telling me honestly that the same social media menu ka ndị mmadụ wee jebe Zion hapụ Adoration. Now that same social media with what is happening has not shown people that look at the reality of things now, so that it can also lead them back to Adoration. It's a question on Naju. Now you ask yourself, now can you significant something name in Zion? Or also a crowd in on Zion? Can you significant something name in Zion? Can you the testimony? Amalawata nante. Ke ha no afuzo ida anu ife. Ke ha afuzo ida anu ife. Rota na unu ewuchana. Ekwuru m na onye akpala ọpụọ n'ụzọ iwori eme program si ha na ọgwa m ofụrụ na onye akpala ọpụọ n'ụzọ m na-ekwu uwo na ha abịa na zukọrụ n'ohi na onwere ife na-aza na mmadụ ji lọkụ na-ashaịnụ endorse onye ahụ, mana nke ahụ na-epuka ji lọkụ Fada Mbaka wee shaịnụ denu na Fada Mbaka endorse ha n'ohi ka ọ bịa zuru na Zion. You are right. those people of their Zulu, is it not enough time they will see that where they came from is better than where they are now? You are wise. Come, Mr. Wise Man, Mr. Solomon, come, let's talk. Is it not better, or is it not high time for all those people, Zion G's, because of social media and the billboard of Alambaka, when I call adoration, on all time on that yafo, nearby Siponubia Kama, carry a buy no keta, every feel if a Zion Jew able today, Fadambaka, according to you, no image Fadambaka, no frame yet benine, no alignment Fadambaka Melu, Haji Weber, non Yanyeri member, and call a member, or pushing the Yesioga member. Can them man do any engagement? They stop engaging in Nkoga. They stop engaging. How many content creators today MC Mbakala groom? Omeluka MC Mbakala pusi mo fuma. Ana majura juju. Omeluka MC Mbakala pusi mo fuma. I am asking you a question. That in Angoma they will have a walk of them all. You are on a program. 1 hour. Mado 1,005 na watching. Mado na ata gemo. This is the video you are analyzing. Mado na ata gemo. Even na lahulo mwemolao. Ezugo. 1,000 or 1 million of you cannot stop Adoration Ministry. I now draw the attention of Onye Dere Fao to a program of 13 minutes to 17 minutes with close to 20,000 people watching already. And then before that program, they get here to 48 minutes, not even 1 hour. We have over 30-something thousand people watching on the ground, watching. Okay, enough reality for you to understand na akakike agago. Okay, etu si ade me program. Having confirmed to you now, need the treatment. Let me go down to the reality of it now. Let us assume that no Fadambaka train Ruzuebuka. Let us assume that no Fadambaka train Ruzuebuka. Is that a reason Nebuka ya career? Let us assume that no Ngumawu Prince Israel Kambalu boy. Is that a guarantee? Namaya Kawego Kawdim Fresha tomorrow. Let us assume that no go Israel raise the more wezugo. Owo na nna moroga mona afo ni meriki mechaka me carry nayo. Who says that no onye raise you, no onye zoro, no onye project you to light, that you cannot do greater things more than onyaho. You people are just failing to accept reality. Stop fighting Ebuka. You are too small. You people are too small. Ebuka carry gono. Okay, can we clear water so that you can cut this part and play it? Ebuka carry gon baka. Yes. The only mark of respect there is Aqua Hoyi, which is Aqua White here. Una Epuzina can stay in Aqua White here because of ignorance. Aqua White here Hoyi. And the Reverend Father title I don't have. Yes, minus that. Ebuka carry gebu carry ugu na miami. Ebuka molo na medugre. Fatambaka kanache bamoto na Onitsha. Ewa ye draw odowa. Unenye zina mpoto. Nya nkari eba nno. My younger brother nke ntoro. Epele nnepe everyday wo. Oluonya me carry amwa wezugo. That will be a joy and a thing of honor. No only raising or no only zoro. May greater things carry out. You should be happy. Iya usomu weze ya kwoto no wa. Iya usomu weze ya kwoto no wa. So what am I saying? Na nyampuni na he na ko na that post email one man ifelu wifelu. I will show you a video of Zion Ministry 2017 before Ebuka came to adoration. Can we kuzeli ife natalo Ebuka juwe adoration? Iwe picture here or say Ebuka when general adoration. One woman to be a adoration. One was a mother 100. Was a mother 10. One was a mother 5 for the remarkable adoration in that man graduated. How were you able to recognize Ebuka? Can you say Papa Obi Ebuka Juwego remarkable? It is because Ebuka go with the Zion. If Unaiji respect when they name Mbaka, use way against him. Or Zion and Mbaka wo no Nanyawa Jake wo Mbaka as spiritual father. He appear yetare. He appear yetare. It should be a mark of respect and honor to Father Mbaka. It is to his glory. Na nyewa webuka ne chalo mwe anya na ndende elephant etu ha. We wolu ndende elephant etu ha. We sego na onya no recognize onya respect onya. It should be a mark of respect to Mbaka. No wulu no mu ife. No wulu no mu ife. E ma ku ife wo. No onye doka emoko Ugu Adeboye na emo today ya no yebepo. Na ndedoka Johnson Suleiman ha Pastor Paul Enenchefa na ndị utufa na-emefa nọrọ ha na-ebighị ugwu na-agba 1 or 2 encounter ha nwegoro with hawa emekwa nọ Adeboye ha na Oyedepo ha ka ndị ahụ na-project more because onwere onye amahọ how big Apostle Johnson Suleiman nọ onwere onye amahọ. Let us continue. So now, respect Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-enye Father Mbaka. You people now want to use it against him. O wesego aka njimude nwa ọkụkọ ya umo ka nhapịa. Since ya unu niile jere Zion maka Ebuka. Since ya social media ahụ Father Mbaka nọ na Ebuka wee penetrate ya ji wee realize go okay. Na onye agọziho nwa Ebuka eziokwu. Na onye ahụ spiritual father Ebuka. Na onye agụchakọrọkọ n'aka ihe n'ebe Ebuka nọ. What is happening? Ka ndị mmadụ ọ bụ hypnotized into staying where they are not seeing result. My brother, asịrị na okenye amaghị egwu ana warụ ana ka ọdụ. Okenye amaghị egwu ana warụ ana ka ọdụ. Unu na-eme some kind of lame argument na this social media na-eme nnọrọ analyze chaye. I said I will not talk about two people again. No. Mana ezugo woyeba ezugo mmechizie n'ọnụ ọdụ ka asị na mmadụ afọ ụsọ. Otu video ka ntiri yesterday. Unu niile na-agbaghalaghala. Otu video ka ntiri yesterday. Unu niile na-ekwu na mma anwụ. Ụfọdụ sị na nke a ya eme, ụfọdụ sị na nke a ya eme. You people just tasted a little bit of ọgwụ maka esi ahụ. Ịnọkwa na video ebe ahụ ịnọ na-akparị Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ịnọkwa na video ebe ahụ ịnọ ka na-akparịkwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ịya nwanwụ ihe ebi ndụ ogologo. Onye na-akparị iwu businessman or an anointed man of God. Anointing nke ya ewu ude aka uwe ife eterie. Ịghọtago. Now Father Odinkem Mero, who Evangelist Ebuka Obi is talking about you today. Evangelist Ebuka Obi won't make for boho career if Father Odinkem Mero. But when Father Odinkem Mero not do today, he will be very proud of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Father Mbaka should be proud. No one Evangelist Ebuka Obi jaka ye nandende elephant etu oha. Nwoke ha nnekwu nwoke ewu nnekwu ndende mmadụ ka ọwụ wee nenechi ife niile ahụ ọwụ wee were ọnụ ya wee si ndị mmadụ na onye dị otu a na onye dị otu a na onye dị otu a. Yeah? It should be a thing of honor to him. Na ọwụ nọ maka onye si wee utilize ya ọfụma. It should be a thing of honor and pride to him. But because of jealousy and the envy, onye akpatara eji wee na-emife nwa na-etu a na-emife nwa na-etu a na-emife nwa na-etu a. Imagine Israel ese na ife na-ese Ebuka na Fada Mbakata who because na Fada Mbaka akwuru see use na afọ ewe shine he use afọ ewe jebe no okay I has use afọ we in fact on behalf of Zion no who the feel ekwu eziokwu on behalf of Zion today I associate the name of Fada Mbaka for Zion. If you are following Zion because of Fada Mbaka, go back to where you are coming from. I am saying that on behalf of Ebuka. If I may say Ebuka, go back to adoration where you are coming from. If you are following Zion because of Fada Mbaka, go back. It is no more Catholic Church. It is now Fada Mbaka. Do you even want me to show you a program in Zion? 2015. Let me not talk about 2017. Their adoration with his whole entourage. You think it's anybody that comes that any brother, their adoration car for the Mbaka ya like that. Why camera nile shide? Is equal no na any social media. Kerunde setalo Ebuka, you are spiritually qualified. In this Italy, all Cameroon Butelie, all Cameroon Butelie, Ebuka, or media create and media team, West Lagos, where you or this is not Fada Mbaka, they leave social media, and don't want the Jaffa. Tell me, Evangelist Ebuka be join Facebook today, type what Ebuka, you will see many pages. Type what somebody now the man at the movie, you will see many. In fact, the 5 years ago, self. He take you care. Type where you go. You will see. How many years ago Mohammed Ojere Zion? Yeah. Only see na my shop where Poketa see all the way from Angola. Where their program 100 days there. Program all the way from Angola. Go to where there. Or from Mbaka go to where Malabia. Una yebere mu debere. Ọkwa ifuru ebe ngwuru na muji unu na mkpọrọ ahụ na muji unu ikwuo isi na mose na muji unu na akpere eji ogbumunu na akpere ị na-agbagharị ọ dị ụkọ ọgụ jide ntị eme ife ji ime ịkọwa wine shop m ọnụ ihe eguta m wine nwụ ihe eguru m wine nwụ ngwụnwa Prince Israel can you afford to buy a bottle of wine to drink unu adụgo fond of unu na-akụ ife unu ya achieve esi nọ ndị Zion bido olu shop ndị adoration bidoro nke unu ọkwa ụlọ wọk aka ife ọ na Zion na-eme ụlọ suppose na ịdụ capable of ime times 100 ọwụ na ndị Zion nwere ike ibido nwụrụ ndị na nnekwu ọ bụ ka ife niile concern Ebuka na-adụ ndị na nnekwu ọwụ na ha nwere ike ibido nwụrụ ndị na nnekwu shop ha etu a ndị adoration bidoro ngwụnwa are you not their irat? Are you not their blogger? Let them start your own business for you. Why are they allowing you to be suffering? Eh? If that you allow go na fufu na uisi. Eh? We na timku na social media every day. They defend her. Ebuka be their Zukon member say Fada Mbaka. So now have go no nya their Zukon member ha no has a memory ko ga. Ejime ogwa maka ọgwa maka testimony Governor Nwifulu ọgwa maka testimony Governor Nwifulu ịchọ ka mkpọrụ ndị ọga ndị ọga inwe onye buteru ịnụsị chiga bịa bi Ebuka Obi mkpọrụ ga-afa ya itinye mkpu ị na-aka ife ya na-akọ mkpọrụ ga-afa ya of first motor buteru bi Ebuka dị fa. That is the second or third mood. Yeah, imoku men. Onwere onye jego simo Jesco oil. Simo Fada Mbaka with Jesco oil. Una anwa ife. Ono ka do lost with reality. Ono akwa egwu ya ikwukwara na program a. Nezugo se no do lost to reality of things that is happening. Aka na gwakwa ihe. Nwanne wolu flag Ebuka Obi as far as Seketa are concerned. You can only compare Ebuka na Igbo to TB Joshua Mugalanwo. Yes. Zion ministry is more like church for all nations. It is a ministry, not church. It's a ministry for all nations. It has no denomination. Enter denomination. You will general compare. If I'm going to kill Champions League, now compare local league. Sure, because now local league Champions League goes away because na enyimba when it want to have Arsenal also we ball. Nyaki yeji we will lose Arsenal. Now compare enyimba. Ili you catch on ife nanya. He will Arsenal. He will now compare enyimba. More canopilas. Yeah? More you will now compare canopilas. Okay. Nosmiri Smith, it's time for you to take your nuisance to somewhere else. Off you go. You know what I go? Yeah? You will hear. You generally compare. You could be on a Champions League. Champions League going on there. On beyond goes to local league. Oh, I show him can now go for my nature can make the go where you can say to a way. Only way more. Imagine it as one day I can compare when it comes to ministry right now. Evangelist could be how many times miles away? Also, I need the adoration. Adoration. Mama, how many hectares in our way? In our way, you have to look in our or sing down enough for that. It was enough for that. Oh, what the same Prince Israel? Oh, what the same Prince Israel? Male video. When I say the same Israel male video. When I say even male anyam unkeji when I that's the same because na mo follow iguribende mwado bialo obose mbaka melu. Okay, lovers of Mary, your nuisance away. Come back with another fake account. You want to go? Yeah. If you don't engage when that's the same because now more follow obose daddy celebrated 30 years. Now more follow crowd never weba yezuku. Emelu mi for job by yezuku. Iseremo. Now more follow crowd obialo obose daddy celebrated 30 years. That's the same. Now, when I go now only normal program and even a Zion. Now that crowd never cannot even be compared to the overflow done at Zion. Do you want me to go and show you? It's your capacity now to filled up on Zion. When will not be more and more you. Now that was a historic event. Celebration, let me not use historic. It was a special occasion where guests were invited. Now, let me take you to the program Emelan Gobala. In where battle, Wolanya, Christmas. That Ilogawala Port Harcourt to shut down. It took Fadokunele close to 3 hours for him and his entourage to make way into the main stage. That is the people in our go. That is the people in our go. Even that program, now they say, who was waiting for Fadambaka? Who was waiting for him? Did we not know that he will not come? Yeah? Who was waiting for him? Yeah? Who was waiting for him? What we heard was that Fadokunele will be here with us and that Father Bemonson could have been here but not travel out. Nobody was waiting for Father Mbaka anywhere. We know that he will not come. We know that he will not come. Then you say Ohanya can the America follow. We will have to something billion. Ohanya will have to cut that money. Egunina have all both from Malaysia, both from the UK, both from Dubai, both from Angola, both from Benin, Mande Jos, Mande Kano. Hana Father Mbaka Obalantata. How to take that? Ndeni one ticket we get that program. Or Hana Father Mbaka Aloye Hawebela. Or Yana Hapankata Hawebela. Or Makanyaka Haji Webela. Or Nya spiritual director of Zion Ministry. Or Nya organizing 100 days. Or Nya Bujan 100 days Langota. So who is coming there because of him? Why will they announce his arrival? He's coming there. Oh, no, they are good for him. He was celebrated. As a matter of fact, Ejim Makero for that man. Ejim Makero for that man. A man that okay. Look at Mwe. Ebemonso celebrate 14 years. A man who do pure in heart. He is not into any kind of competition. He doesn't care whether you are bigger than him or he's bigger than you. Or to so jovial. He interacts with anybody. He doesn't bear grudges for anybody. Yeah? That is it. You see, I'm very sure that Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anoziori did not offend Father Mbaka, but let Father Mbaka come out and say this, what Ebuka did to me. Imagine, he did nothing to you. You started calling him out. He went God and say, no, because no could say use his image. Did I know his image with Zion? Did I know his image? Zion, I did not know any Mbaka anywhere. Ministry Hannah about or the match together. On a need to see one. Or to go to match together. Kerifa Ejikuwa Rose. Over the other Camry 2.2. The American one listen in the DJ back 2.2 happen Rose. How can you leave the grandmaster himself, abandon the grandmaster to go and follow the boy? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Nanite mwadu reje na nke mwa Sambros. No ni St. Peter. Clever Newishi. General Moto. Ama no Sambros kuziri the guy yolo. And na the guy mo. Mana Sambros galalo ono. Mana that guy do ego. So if you cannot afford to go to Sambros, makanon kende nuku waga na nuku apuko, you go to Mwemuke because no Sambros kuziri Mwemuke olo. And na the guy ma roll bottle or only a single no with it, my young losing orga or what at something, man or orga. So, none of my boys, can you tell me the reason battle? Madu Yejisi, where happen say Sambros, where they say Mwemuke, Season or Maka Sambros, because you went to Mwemuke, open no rule na Sambros, or Funa Mwa Sambros, Amaha Lumoto, Eka or ever, instead of English, back to Oga. Anama Jonah Adjo. Osre Mosem, Mubwe miracles only a record go na Zion. Mwejo this guy, Amarota is semantic. Kia Fuzo, Eda Nife, Keda Fuzo, Eda Nife. Eh? Only see adoration, Webia, every miracle on the recorded every minute. Webia say na Zion, Eda miracle on the record anytime. Wake up be. Instead of all you on a solution ground there, we able money for them. You want me say Ngule, Ngunasa, Ngunasa. Neganya, I won't even na folk. Neganya. The video post to yesterday. Onubeba akwa, onubagarela. The threat of one message. A baby fenine. Yeah. Ababa no work. Baby fenine. Just one video. Just one video. I will put one video and one day. Every video where say, Nanga haya wado kanke BBC, because to be frank with you, I intentionally did not want to bring BBC on camera. I intentionally did not want to bring BBC on camera for reasons. I intentionally don't want to bring that guy on camera. That guy is willing and ready to come on camera. But I intentionally said, I shall not make water. Because when we post rage in your way pass different message. Now, I want to video and post yesterday. You say, I posted a video over sensory or post a video or me post a video. Have you ever say, post a video, post the video. You think it's this arranging? You think it's this arranging? Is it because I don't want to analyze that video? Analyze that video. Also, analyze that video. That video will begin to trend for the second time. I can open 2 other videos to show that video. Analyze that video. Oh, Makarabacho, he analyzed the video. I only posted that video to pass a message that no one will scandals. If we can believe now all these things was framed, why is it difficult for you people to believe also? Yeah? Omwerifunu na-ebuka na-azọ ka nna-ajụ unu. Omwerifunu na-azọ. Omwerifunu na-ebuka na-azọ. Gwa m otu mkpụrụ ife unu na-ebuka na-azọ so much. Unu ji wee do so bitter. Tell me one thing. The video one of you played where Ebuka was cautioning people about insulting Father Mbaka and other men of God was in respect to that scandals. It was when that scandals broke loose that Ebuka stood. Kurusio Ayike in 2021. Kurusio Ayike Kudolu Father Mbaka. That was the video you people want to use against him today. Then post to say video. This is old video. So now this guy he post to Robosia. Every become a caution on them mad about it. So now one old video. So now one that video is also 4 years old. Post to post to yesterday on a old video. Our no new video. Did we not know that no old video? Ndakana screenshot Lovett kana joy you say Lovett what black bullshit or issue of Lovett email issue of Jonathan mail. Tell him if you are still talking about it today, why can I not talk about it 4 years ago? Oh, assume me where I will analyze that video. This is yeah, that everybody could hear go or call jajanana. Why go no go? No nyama hafa ne wera akwa mommy. No nyama hafa ne wera akwa mommy. Ana me make unu mari ife. Unu chuno na ya ife. I posted the video. I did not talk about ife me na video. I did not say ife ku na video awesiokwu. As a matter of fact, I said that we all believe that he was framed up. I said it in that video. Then I passed a message with that video. What is that message? What is that message? That no one or Ogun were eating with this kind of scandals, and we stood for him. It was at that particular time that Ogechi fought tooth and nail for him. He has forgotten. He has forgotten that during the time these scandals do this bad and can't do so bad. When the scandal can't do so bad. Yes, if I would something do between mother and the daughter, or bro a stranger, it is mother and daughter. And I want you to tell me even when he came a mother, but I know we was such thing about Umuamunafo. We was such thing about Umuamunafo. A same mono abandon or Yambo Mano Basi Potana, I say for you, or not abandon or home. Of course, you don't say for you when or go no abandon. I don't want to go and start analyzing that video. Because now lesson into that video will do no happen lesson. You really man if you don't know every day Ebuka only can block ever don't go there ever. And before me how on a fake account where they such kind of thing. Eh? Nchi do wicked the cone. I'm a monye the message. No toto. Ntoto we put on social media la chanya ka granot. Sit here down with but don't ever usbo. Mana all because na achoromu ebia so hard because I want you people to understand my message on a lighter note which is going to happen to Ebuka. Now the kind of scandals who they be Ebuka no ana agwo ni fe ni na wo aga ka na ebuye. Na Ebuka lo no no ku aga. Onu na eku na aga awu plan ka plan here and we all believed it. If we all believe up to believing a scandal in this nation, why is it difficult for you people to reciprocate the same to Ebuka? Even the same Ebuka stood his ground and fought. Even though Geshi, unu ne wish ta no ya wu, unu ne wish no ya lament ba, unu ne wish no ya be confess. I made another important point I said, if that woman who and before Joshua, these are questions I ask. I did not analyze the video. We analyze the video in a hateful way or in a destructive way. Back. Yes, I back. Yes, no mukulu. Nke ahozi nke nasere. No, broye sele. Musele. Ono furu video of onye nasere. Obro musele. Ife ni nasere igwe ndesere video ndesere no. Omo nke nsere. Iwatago. Omo nke nsere. So that is it. Man on actually learn a lesson. Happen to Ebuka alone. Almost say no go no. Disassociate no way from Ebuka. No nya with business nya Ebuka. I'm on me for you just nya Ebuka. Ebuka every ministry Ebuka be can rally strength to strength. Yes. In fact, Ebuka be na actually happens in Lagos. All that time go up and space. Because now Omele ko balance your format. Emmanuel Yegosha the whole Victory Estate, Osana Estate, Peace Estate, Oraha. Yeah? Nifuria? Eke Nenakulu. I have never seen any Zion member insulted Mbaka before, including me, because I have never insulted him. Go and bring a video of me even insult to Father Mbaka. I want you to go and bring one for me. Actually, give them one single video of a video Maka Father Mbaka insult where go and bring one for me. Mana, I can bring multiple videos of those people who are representing him, insulting Evangelist Gobi as if he's not a human being, insulting him now where all manner of them as if he's not a human being. Now members here jump on you. Ibelakwa. Na nkuru maka ogonu yesterday. Omo before John nkuru maka you. Unu need a piano comment section more. Anaba for the piano inbox. Anaka ono. Yeah. Nwego no so no. Nde na ase mmonwo. Enwere a video related to this video post yesterday. Even somebody dey no Maria Ota Ogonu. Even this Prince Israel. We video ebo okuru. No, Maria Ota, who they colonize if any against Father Mbaka. But Oto Nyama was the architect of people named Mugo. No more ways to go. When I am Maria Ota Mugo, Matthias Mugo, he had the Light of Africa Mugo, BBC Mugo, or Moya Muda. Moya Muda and Amu. You will see what you have done to yourself. You will see what you have done to yourself. You will regret it. Come on, we come. Oh, come on, if you know the moon. Oh, come on. Of not comprehending that if I'm going to pass it through, we can pass it through. Oh, come on, she got her back and I want to never. I have to know who know to the Noko on a master or one a master. On a master, get back only a few people like us, which will oh, Mana, if we even name it, you decide they have to come out. Malupa, you decide they have to come out. Yes. Or you should hold the people in our role accountable. Because if they can pay me to the tune of opening a shop for me, what have they done for you? Have they not? I want to have a parent shop. Will I say they have not done something good for me? What else can a father do for a son, if not what you are saying that they have done for me? Yeah. What else can a father do for a son? If not what you are alleging that they have done for me, what have they done for you? Yeah, what should be the chalk you won't wear over. Only get the one that also. You reshape. What you do, what you know, no, Bishop Onaga. Can you Bishop Onaga? Unukunonya Prado, if you need it, Nonya Wambo. Adoration. Bishop Onaga Ugo. Ewopuge as the bishop of Orudena Bishop Achuge. ọkwụnụ maka esi agụ iyi ma ka esi agụ ọfọ mara ka esi asụ ọfọ na ndị niile ahụ ndị ụlọ na-ekwu na ọha ahụ the architect of ife ọga na-agabigado ndị niile ahụ ọnwụsigo ya ejugbu mmụ ya anwụ gụnụ ka m metazi mmeju ka m meda akwụkwọta of ife amịrị onwe mbịa nwụọ ka m meda akwụkwọta of ife maria ọta na ndị otu emere enwe mbịa nwụọ ha nwa ka ya adụ nduo ha nwa ka ya kadụ nduo abịasị nwụọ ndị ala n'afọ bụ ụdị ife ọnwụlụ na ijebelu Zion because of Fada Mbaka nachigazie back n'okwugo na ya na Ebuka nọrọzi according to ife akwụrụ okwugo na ya na Ebuka nọrọzi kedu ife ịka na ebe a na-eme ịnọrọkwa na Zion Grand ị na-asị mana ama na ọ na-abụrụ ndị Zion ọ na-abụrụ ndị Zion. A lot of people followed Zion. The only person you can even use other than Kwoku, Pastor Jerry Eze nwere online presence. He may not have that physically, but for Pastor Jerry Eze nwere online presence and he's not talking. Ọnakpụrụ nwere ministry ya egwuregwu na-eme nke ọkụ na-ere na-eme nke ọdọ mmiri na-eme nke. We're not even talking about ndị Anglican anyị maka awụzie na-eme nke Christian Chukwuanyo na-eme nke ndị na-eme nke ha ka nkụ ada asụ chekwe ọsụ ụnụ nwa ọsọ na Catholic Church ka ya afụ ebe a na-anụ ụfọdụ ndị fada Holy Ghost fada si fi ruru na-agba ha mgba ka emechie adoration ha enyekwa aka na-agba another person mgba ka emechie ministry onye a ekwuo ya ọwụrụ na m kwuru arụ onye ahụ alụ mkwuru onye ahụ na m kparịrị mmadụ. Is that the insult nyere half of ife unu mere? I will bring that videos and I will start analyzing those videos. I will be more rather allege anything. I am talking based on what is there na public domain. Stella Nneka, this is the truth that people don't want to. Remember, it took them how long to call for the Webejo order. He was there dancing, allowing himself from once in that area, all in the name of God and to say God. No, Ojigechi na fada. Ojiruni ne kamas na ndị mmadụ anyị ekwu eme. Omelugu ni iji nye Holy Communion na ndị mmadụ anyị anaghị eri. Omelugu na ịba nsusu ahụ na agba start ya na onye kweso kedu ife Ebuka mere ụlọ ụnụ anyị ji wee hapụ ya aka ọkwenye ife mụ na ụnụ na-anụ na na Ebuka mere nke a na o megharị nji 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 nke a ụfọdụ n'ime ụnụ bugharịgidoro vidio Robert bugharịgido vidio Robert wepụtasịrị mmụọ vidio yesterday akwasu ebe niile iyi n'ihi anwụ wọtọfụ mwepụtakwa anọda nwa wọtọfụ mwepụtakwa anọda nwa na kịta mana m nwere anọda nwa m na-ewepụtakwa nwekwara anọda nwa m na-ewepụtakwa nwekwa mmụọ vidios m na-ewepụtakwa ka m chetalụ ụlọ ife unu chefuru echefu maka nchọ ụlọ tarazie m aja ụnara elu analyze ya vidio ịmara analyze ya vidio ịghọtaghị Emmanuel Mayotais Nanda. But when we analyze the video, she's almost the greatest analyzer of all time. But you can give it to Ezugo. Now Ezugo is the greatest analyzer of all time. I may be anything but not a bad analyzer. We analyze the other video in a destructive way. I analyze that video in a constructive way. What of them? Now, yeah, destructive in nature, we analyze the other video only to get to some people. Facebook at yesterday. Facebook at when I said I will leave you people alone, happen no maka and all of the radio no maya happen maka. We are talking about today. About social media. Also, Fada Mbaka about social media there. No, we can get no, you win 100 million followers. Kerifeji. Guru Jinkoton. Kerifeji Jinkoton. Mmadụ na afụche ebe a na-eshi ọzọ jebe ebe ọ na-arụ ọgwụ members any na Ebuka Zuje. Is it not time they will go back to where they come from? On a half page adoration Enugu Nigeria. Half here, no na be life, na be benine. On a half series on a H1000 can adoration. Ana madu ajuju. Can even the fire hana afubu na adoration. Ha hazi afu always na Zion hana afia. Hajiwe kwa oisi don't say na Zion. Despite no ga agbagoa na ata kwa no nyomano na ya no zin agreement. So that on na konya yampo. Na Ebuka ji ihuye wori ihuye tie be ni say picture tie be ni ne wori ewe chukolu ndem ofodu ni mu na anwa hife. Fodu ni mu na anwa hife. Ụfọdụ n'ime ụlọ anwaghị ife maọbụ mmadụ onye na-esi obodo oyibo agbapụrụ na-abịa Zion every week maọbụ mmadụ ole na-esi obodo oyibo agbapụrụ abịa Zion every week ka ị na-asị m na Ebuka abịara were social media wee zụkọ mgbe na-ajụ ajụjụ wesị that Ebuka you are spiritually qualified kelu ndị selu that video Ebuka ọkpọ media team wee si Lagos wee bịa. Ana majụrụ ajụjụ Ebuka you are spiritually qualified all media team unu serie enna all media team unu serie ọ tata ka m wọchịralụ program unu on air ọ tata ka m wọchịralụ program unu on air nwata kpakara ibe na nkụ asị na ọkpara ya na ajọ ọfịa envious, very envious people. Who do so envious? Enviness in Kono do Bukisi about with the Lagos. Anyuku. I'm an animal at what I will go to that. Jimmy tourist village order. One I get came was a Molafia. Jimmy, she from me as a walker. Jimmy tourist village order. One I care. Innocent Lafia. Look at Innocent today. The only thing Eugenie Ade may want only a thing of pride unto him. Nandenya a product to snack a weapon. It's a thing of pride to him. Or how that's your show? Go flex what's the most with Innocent. Go say Innocent, no, I can't. That is insane, man. That is insane. That is insane, man. Oh, since what you were passing social media, good way, or for that you would daddy, Papa Kokawu. I am one who's not can. We started hearing about him even before we Baba the Facebook. What has changed about him? Anabasi digital, it can't be analog. Anabasi digital, it can't be analog. Ono kwa na burungu ochi e na acho ka mmere kwa onu mu ha we gbayo na Ebuka akari go da di Enugu ka wasie gie Ebuka akari go da di Enugu that is 130 years of priesthood onya una duru Rojeni showing celebrity how many years of business etata how many years Rojeni may go business inosi gwebe nake ana majuru ajuju oputazie tata ya na inosi na-ekwuzi okwu o say inosi no for 70 years of business yo well no for 60 years of business yo onya wune kane the fact is that ni ifo nwere ahụ ya yeji wee ka ụmụ ọfụma ahụna o mụta go the best ya ahụ enwe iji wee wuri ife o ochekwujekwa nwurukwa nwa na otu nwurukwa nke mere ihe o ji wee wee mmadụ chịkọ ha ncha oferie ọ na-nye Mwasa mbona tanongo wabala ono ya fusi anya ono ka na-ebe cheke chelu kasa yo bengo wabala ebe ahụ ka ebulu ya nọfunde kwatụrụ ọkwa ma ngwa nwa Prince Gonodo ka mkpọdo ya Prince Israel ihe abịa ngo wabala bịa Zion ọkwọrụ anyị agbata ya na video God vibes. We are going to fight there for men fight with your long with your long nose. Good vibes. Who made you the judge? Shameless man. Did anybody ask you to fight for them? Who asked you to come and defend him? Or who asked you to come here and comment? I will explain tire. You must listen tire. I will explain tire. You must listen tire. Yeah? Not that was a sort of given now. It will be a main gallo. Good vibes. It changed my calcium. Sit up program up. And you can tell me car. Okay, for Nanya. It changed my attack is to go see me. Sit up program up. That may you. If you dig it well, I will go. Odo buji gare wo ga inem baba ga bona na tipu sisi ona na so pusi mi ebe ni ile ekwu crowd na se na ha ekwu crowd mana ụlọ ya ewere kwa mpempa crowd unu nwere naanị isi intimidate zunu with ife a na-akpọ crowd the real dictionary meaning of crowd na se na ọnya wi fa na ekwu social media presence igwa anyị na ife kpatara na nke ụlọ ebubo 200 million. Not because of na people have social media before. Ebuka weje hijack ya social media. Hijack ya social media. Yeah? Ishefuzie na mbo batalo. Na ndeduka Adeboye enwecha na TV channels. Na TV channels odoke Manuel TV ha. It exists even before he came. But the grace that young man Ujiwebia, I don't think no will any barrier. In that way. It is an unstoppable grace. In why you draw Odoka. We are talking about over 100,000 people following him on different social media platforms, including you, Prince Israel. Mpagaria na Zion pages, Mmafobi ne I claim it. I claim it in Jesus' name. Mmafobi ne I key into this testimony. The same testimony is in a half. Na Zion case and a fifere bama. Zion nka. Eba fifere bama. Zion nka. Ke ha fifere bama. Zion nka amma. Ke so ne ba no testimonies. Ini di ebelu. You are blind and deaf at the same time. And you need to ebelu. Una ke mo kwa nuri na mago amapugo n'ụla. Unuje kwa kunje weke nwago n'ụla. Onye mepe nwago no n'ụla. Ego n'ebe egbuo. Ai shireke. Ai. Una amaghị ekwu. Mana ana agwo no na ya no. Imagine ị ga-akọ na watching no video na-akọ biko ndị jegolo Enugu gwa na anyị Enugu. I can tell you that na people nọ na Zion ground na 2017 karịrị ndị nọ na Adoration ground na that 2017 ka esisi na ọbịara fụrụ ndị mmadụ. How were you able to recognize Ebuka among all the people Begoreba? How are you able to recognize Ebuka among all the people Begoreba? Anamajo. Now, since Farambaka Juwebido Bazaar, has there been any bazaar, any reasonable quarter of a Guna Ben Zion at the close up every on the day? Race go on the adoration na people with a guy. When you hire the yoga, it's not really by percentage. Yoga and Kibrib, you see, you can keep it. I need to see for one. If I'm not doka, the mama do book. This may back, this may dash. No only who here. In Roma, I'm going to GLK, Galon, okay, Ejime, Ikuzie, now this is Buzo, well, GLK. No, so many years before we were this May bash here, 2021 or 2025. We were Juogo. Rose 2012. Now Rose 2025. Or the same thing, how? Or the same thing. And we're more sophisticated features. No, 2025 more, you know. Oh, yes. We are big man. Oh, yes. And we, as you can any bruise or whether we are not disputing that. mana enwere ife dị iche na-egbe na-egbe si na ebe Ebuka nọ pụọ n'ụlọ enwe injuri si na ebe Ebuka nọ pụọ n'ụlọ enwe injuri ọkwụnụ for experience of Fada Webe. The land of America rejected him. Everywhere around him rejected him. And if all not careful, family here no war. I can reject. Maka jepa ka ngoro na ko nwe all one name no. You want to go? Ebuka na walk under supernatural grace. That grace is unstoppable. If you put body, no matter who you are, you will be disgraced. Onye ka the bishop unu ji weko kosa ka ma unu mu ha na enene n'anya. Unu nwa pụta ka unu bịa no ife personal interest unu na Prince Israel pụta kwa again. Ewu Gambia. Ife ahụ na nwa mbụ na nwa na eketa yes there is nothing you people can do. Esim na adoration. Wee jewe na nke Ebuka Obi. And the wonders and the miracles na eme adoration. Mgbe wuru sie maka onye nwe adoration wee jewe sie nke eni lusie ebe eni o nwere ife na-eme die. Why will I not go back? Especially when the person nji wee je ebe eni kwugolu na mụ na onye ahụ onye ahụ wayo ka o ji afa nwe egwu ndị mmadụ. When are you people going to go back to where you came from? I achụ na achụ. I emelu no same force. I enyu ego moto unu ejina. Mbụrụ unu bọska ya ebu unu wee na. Kere ife unu chọrọ ka emelu unu ka unu wee naba. Na chịakwa na ebe ahụ unu si wepụta. Engage them na night of open heaven. Chere na ebe ahụ. Ọnara ahụ emu na ahụ. The reality is there before you. Ibata Zion ground ya wafiru. Ibata Zion ground ije kwuru ngọ ọkpala. Only je ngọ ọkpala last year. If you mere na ngọ ọkpala last year, you shut your mouth up. If you mere na ngọ ọkpala last year, shut your mouth up. Thank God they will stampede ebe a. Mana aka ife ya na-akọ. Iru niile juru eju. Akwa ndị moto niile na-eje Port Harcourt anọda ụzọ. Moto niile na-eje Owerri anọda ụzọ. Moto niile na-eje Aba anọda ụzọ. You dare open your mouth to talk. You dare open your mouth to talk. One of my problem can happen ever. You want to go? We'll come back again. Put na my pussy can never handle. No financial. We go apologies to the cinema to go and all paper they said go. And we'll go na. And we'll go Mayama Robo. And we'll go Banuno. Let's go because it's enough. Let's go. It's okay. Apologies to Nda Nine. All na make Uhifa. Prince Israel, I am what if I'm Kuketa. Man, if for the if I'm Kuketa, no, what I get at one you see. If I would is you cool. Oh, no, billboard, oh. Evangelist. Father Mbaka, Ebuka Juwese, and move away. And they have the one who see that. Let's say that. They from Nanke Emeka wine shop. No down and the wine. Oh, we get a shop for more wine, they shall add to her. Oh, he Japan and Emeka, they were good wine now. You continue to be on a shop considering distance and different. What because of that? Why wrong nation a beer ban? I'm going to ye. Oh, we be about if we finish. We don't have a piece with it. Oh, you should have a piece with it. As you will end out to Examo. Or what will we na move forward somewhere? We're working on the level money. Give way there, even the level money. Give way there. Oh, where will na money shall have to you will join the first day. So you see, no draw. You join the second day. So no draw. You join the third day. So no draw. Or the year will be there again. It says it is not a rocket science. Yes. Can you leave adoration? I know. Chineke ji asage ekpere niile ine nwetife niile shọ na adoration ha gụrụ ka ịchọ ga-ejere na nke onye Ebuka tiri picture ya na onye ahụ Ebuka tiri picture ya na iji wee soro Ebuka nwere ebe ya ahụ ije ifu onye ahụ direct onye na-agwa onye ahụ okay let me put it this way ịbịakwutere m because of na mudu close to Akusayon mana ị nwere opportunity to go to Akusayon direct. Why will you choose to come to me because of my closeness to Akusayon when you can go direct to Akusayon? When the same reason you will be to me, what the same reason you will do to Akusayon? who will you prefer to go to direct? Armadura Ajuju. Iye jemu to governor. Emana mona governor to mma. Why can't you go to governor? Every marine I go there to mma to the point that no area Cameroon if you carry him. You go to him. There is no logic into there. How can Ebuka Obi use the image of Nanyana Fadambaka Serufoto? Mma the way I'm saying Fadambaka. Wo ọkpụtọrọkpụ were debezie nke Ebuka Obi ya na Fadambaka siri foto ọ na-ịghọtabụ ife nna gwa aka mara Iceland. You can actually go direct to Fadambaka ebe believe no crazy na ebe na ọrụ na ebe Ebuka. Why can't you go direct to the source of that grace? Iru ebe ahụ tapụkwa the grace ndị Ebuka si wee tapụ ya na-esi ụmụnụ ụnụ chọkwa unu wee respect Ebuka na-enye Fadambaka unu wee use oye against him. O chọkwa unu use respect ọ na-enye ya suppose ịwụrụ ya 18 of honor. Ọ suppose iji ya aba. Ọ suppose na ọgwa ndị mmadụ na Ebuka ahụ my son. Ndị mmadụ asị o ngụnwa zụtoro ndị nwa ha ka Ebuka. Ọ wụrụ 18 of joy. Ọ wụrụ 18 of pride ka ọ wụ. Unu chọkwa unu wee respect ọ na-enye ya wee use oye against him. Ịchọ ka anyị nọrọ. We can keep quiet. The man abugo made the grace has already carried him. That's Miami. He came to Adoration Ground as a big boy. He formed a bigger and a larger boy. 2017, he went on and one plot of land in Victory Estate. 2017, and my photo on the week with Fadambaka on the post on a page. And my picture me say with Fadambaka. Man go on my palo of Fadambaka we say eh my photo na we say with Fadambaka. Yet or carry go we to anywhere. Terebo buje go we kuku. Upon no say go picture with Fadambaka. O say go picture with him. Say photo ye both in na pala. E mo people na ba do batana still room man. Yet we go we kuku de. What is it you are trying to teach me here? Does it mean na we kuku enwere na Ebuka nwere na ebe ọrụ Ebuka nwere Ebuka goliwe ni nwere ya o goliwe na Chukwu enyego ogi ya o goliwe ni nwere ya o goliwe na Chukwu enyego ogi ya o goliwe ni nwere ya o goliwe na Chukwu enyego ogi o goliwe ni nwere ya o goliwe na Chukwu enyego ogi o mi kuku se kamera foto ogbu yet even for we kuku we na una bed in baka je dinara na ebe a say photo see no mebu ko blow why you no mu no gbo ngo myself man this so much about Fadambaka. What it shows is that you are close to him, yet you are not going anywhere, man. You are closer to him, close to him. And so many of you say go photo even a comment section it photo even go listen. What were you able to JB photo enlarge mount where na billboard na Enugu ko do government houses go JB photo ago na esero photo ni na horo na send na aye ebe no na esero photo JB enlargement mount where Enugu ko do government house mo Aso Villa immediately ono na rori onwu no ono na rori onwu no o na rori onwu no but my rotara ono na rori onwu no you want to go. This is for the intellectuals who can understand. It is not for the weak people. It is not for the Sokobos. It is not for the Sikokonot. People that mean when we say in our copy Ebuka, also is it a crime? Ebuka be the annihilation. Look at you. Look at you. Do you know Ebuka won in 2017? Do you know who Ebuka be? Na 2017 makonye wokebo Jim Joel say go na lele a plot of land na Victory Estate na 2017 ya kama madu wakido buyer. What are you talking about? What are you? Do you know what you're talking about, man? Do you know what you're talking about? You know what you're talking about? You don't know. I bet you don't know. Oh no. You don't know what you're talking about, man. Because if I tell you what you're talking about, you're gonna understand, man. I Prince this guy has said, this guy has he even the best guy. This guy has even the best guy. Even he would Japan back. He said, no wine shop. He go anywhere no more. When I had that with a Japan one. Wine shop, you show up and not pass on the table. You got to go. Wine shop. Even though now my wine shop is not your own. Although not desire me pay you one no go to you for one for buy that in the series that in the na quiz na what for had you me pay what had you me pay or ejewezie you dey go that wire like owuru nke ekuro na eje ekwe wona nke ekuro aju na oyele maka na ngo aju nwe ngi ajuju or when you no yele because of number or you know yele no yele separo man I go nke ya ngo ke mu go ili dere wine e wata go now praise Israel God be I want to send you a wine man am menye red wine you ekpocha obi maka am na odo easy at this time and they me ka e wata na red wine na asacha obi I want to send a premium red wine to you. Kingo ye ko sacha ruby. Ko sacha ruby. Ona go BP. Ona go enyu ruby. E ma na mo de go enyu ruby. Ona go eke afọ. Ona go enyi. Ona go kere ngwa wisi. Ona go anyu ofu. Ona go afọ ndo. O red wine na am mesendere ya hawo. Kingo do wine. I want you to drink wine. Before you can talk down on a wine shop, you need to have a glass of wine. With 2 or 3 people now, more than the same video. More than a background, only need drink wine. Or a wine. Or you begin to think well. You want to go? On and that in the middle that 10. Let them go and open a wine shop for you. No, or one of the go be a wine shop. That is what a father can do for a son. That is what a father can do for a son. You want to go? That is what a father can do for a son. If you get what I'm saying. I think I will leave you here, man. I'll leave you here. Anambra, come and carry your long mouth baby husband. No problem, good vibe. No problem, no problem, no problem. No problem. Long mouth, on more. Ọnụ onye na-eyi uru niile egwu onye akpatara ugo onye ka ofu ji wee sebe ezugo ọtọfela ahụcha ụla teta ọwụrụ na ịdago ogbe mana Maria ọta ka na-ekwu okwu Bishop Onaga ka na-ekwu okwu BBC ka na-ekwu okwu ọdaga ogbe mgbe mkpọrọ ya na phone name them Chimaroke Nnamani ka na-ekwu okwu kpọsị afa ha ncha niile they are all talking. Father Kajetan Onyedo can ekwu. A lot of people can ekwu, but we muzi muwezu ya do ogbi. Mu ya dada no ogbi ta. O we na go na Imali iko isho ke wolu ma alo ejiri ike ahụ mara ya mmadụ. Mana na ekwu ye ona ya gote. Unu che no ya dominate mu ebe niile. Unu dictate any people. That is jealousy. Focus on that place, you know. If you feel like it's a solution ground, then those people who left because of native picture guy, picture na Jesus. Now, every picture of him like that. Now, John Busta, this enlargement photos need all the every enlargement photos are in the mighty name, in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Eke wamu picture. Eke wapu odogwu Enugu. Ke wapu odogwu Lagos. Say, may they go separate ways in Jesus' name. Let the people who flow in because of him flow out now. Because it's no more there. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Obianna. Every na be na Facebook na enye mkpọtụ. Ụlọ be na Facebook na enye mkpọtụ. Emekwa gị na agwa ụzọ were mgbe ohechi. Agwa ụzọ were mgbe ohechi. Agwa ụzọ were mgbe ohechi. He say na without you I cannot be governor. No go me mu governor. Nwesi okay no sie na nko. Ka mmadụ sie na ma ya da election. You know na nko nzo election we know. E ga nwere ọnụ okwu. Eme ọnụ so gborozi ọnụ. Ebuka Obi achieve go times 10. Times 10 or times 60 or 70 or 100 of even Father Mbaka achieve in over 30 years of his ministry. And they say Ebuka Obi achieve go all of them with the only thing that they say Ebuka Obi achieve go one watcher. And that watcher is all about choice. Also Kwaketa who decide they are this seminary school you go watcher. The only thing or achieve go one watcher with choice. Even though it's not by choice. It is by hard work and dedication. It is by call of God. Mana kerife di faro Father achieve in 30 years of his ministry ono na etipu say ye do we wa for secha. Makana Sister Maria have 25 years go celebrate just yesterday. Father Kajeta na this Prince Odua or Prince Oduna nwa. Na we jere ọnụ. How many years of ordination that Father Kajeta nke agụrụ ya celebrate? Every single thing or achieve in that 30 years and more. Evangelism could be achieved it in 10 years. Even though na ministry evangelism could be had to go older than 10 years. But not achieve it. Yes. That is the fact. That is the fact. You cannot record the fact will be a break in and more. As some do not achieve gay, as some do not achieve gay times 100. It is a reality. You also na mama hospital outreach, mama charity ole Father Mbaka na-eme ohe wota na akwụkwọ. Anyị ma charity niile ọ na-eme. Anyị ma charity niile ọ na-eme. Charity niile ọ na-eme elu ijelu psychiatric hospital na Nimweri. Charity niile ọ na-eme elu ijelu galọ na Bulishi. Charity niile ọ na-eme anyị ma charity niile ọ na-eme. Mana ife onye mekarịrị ikwu onye mekarịrị ọha ahụ ka ọnwụ. Imife Seraphic Foundation na-eme. Amara na ntị. Imife Seraphic Foundation na-eme. Ịchọrọ ka agụsị arụhụ ọnwụ amala Seraphic Foundation na-eme. Ka iwetie mkpu ịchọrọ ife ụmụazị ka a na-agwa. Yes, we appreciate Father Mbaka for all the work that he has been doing. Ọ na-eme according to capacity ndị onye esigbo m. Onye mekarị ụlọ onye mekarị. Anyị ma na ọ na-eje hospital outreach. Anyị ma okay. Anyị ma I decided not to bring it like you said, but I did not use it.
Oh, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yes. I am one of the. In fact, he is very wonderful. He's a very wonderful man. As a matter of fact, now one do can create employment. Now one do can create impact. Now a video against Matthias here. I will use Father Mbaka as an example. And I'm going to not under the payroll of Father Mbaka. A Mama Dole not under scholarship scheme. Father Mbaka, do you know how many families today that are feeding under Father Mbaka? But one thing I want you to understand is that all those things only made. Never they say go be name Hata is 10 now. Are you going to dispute that fact? If even they made there now, it's not a joke. Or bro joke or no under scholarship scheme, Seraphic Foundation. Yeah? ichoka gbalo enwekwu windows one na nwa mụta ọkwụ isi n'ọnya onye anointed Ebuka n'ọnya kpere Ebuka ekpere no commit crime ọ na kpeziri Ebuka ekpere n'ọya kakide Ebuka obi Ebuka were ụbọchị ọya nwụ ọ ife na-ekpesi ekpere ọ bụ nna mụta nwa okpere nwa ekpere ka nwa eke ọ na nwa kazi elu ọwụ crime ka ọ commit ana m ajụ na ajụjụ ụmụ ibe ọ na nwa kazi elu ọwụ a crime ka nwa commit nwa o mere ahụ na ọkayo. Is that not your prayer? Prayer lelele. Oya do Princeton na ko nya nweta monya. Oya do ekosi butere isi esugo etu a. Sinya, sisi etu a say eti isi esugo like this. O wori isi we kroban. Isi ma do ki isi efi. E wada go. So, can just need to compare mmadu na afọ na mu mebi reku. So the okay kita. And it's not a crime. If the same people commit to crime by okay, by all standard. If they don't achieve goal in 30 years, they go achieve goal in 10 years out of how many years on goal. You cannot dispute it. If also what is that? If also instead. The only place was where a thing of choice. When they say go be sure o de she father nya cho o ye chi father o cho de she o cho the engineer chi we de she father ha ko kwali ta wa to be ha five ko ha de she father e o da go o mo seminary school o ye deketa nke ahụ nke na ya kwali mmadu o mo seminary school o lesson o carry go age je seminary school ma seminary school o no ye deketa e ba ho o mo hi fo ye me na o no bido no sha share kama o yari anọrụ anọ mewe chi fada leke na gba ara mi na tato maka onye na-agwa ahụ a general himself or a civilian general a powerful civilian a very powerful civilian yeah.